Welcome to my channel, Vinculum Academy. We are going to learn about kitchen tool names in Kannada and their uses. Pressure cooker, habe patre. It is used to cook rice, pulses, corns, etc. quickly. Wok, banle. It is used to cook food or fry them. Pan, tave. It is mostly used to bake rotis, parathas, toasts, etc. Rolling pin, lattanige. Board, mane. It is used to roll chapatis out of dough. Plates, tatte. It is used to serve food. Spoon, chamacha. It is used to eat food. Fork, bullu chabacha. It is used to eat fruits, noodles, etc. Spatula, sattuga. It is used to mix the curry and turn the sides of roti, chapati, etc. Bowl, battalu. It is used to serve curry, sweet dishes, etc. Jug, huji. It is used to store water, juice, etc. Tongs, ikkula. It is used to hold hot items while cooking and serving food. Knife, chaku. It is used to chop vegetables, fruits, etc. Ladle, sautu. It is used to serve curries. Tea kettle, chaha patre. It is used to make tea. Grater, turiyuva mane. It is used to grate vegetables. Sieve, jaradi. It is used to drain out water. Tea strainer, jalri. It is used to strain tea. Glass, lota. It is used to serve liquid items. Cup, battalu. It is used to serve tea, coffee, etc. Mortar and pestle, kalabattu mattu kutani. It is used to mash herbs and spices. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.